Hey everybody, this is Ms. Ladd again, and I am here to show you a quick video tutorial. So one of the things that you are going to need to do for this project is convert your text into shapes. And that is pretty easily done. So I'm going to select this layer here. And as you can see, I've got Burn the Midnight Oil selected. All I have to do is go up to Object and click on this Expand. So I'll say Object, Fill, say OK. And now if I zoom in here, you can see that these are individual shapes now. If I go to the direct select, you can see all the little vectors, all of that good stuff. The problem is that it's no longer text at this point, so I can't go in and just change it. Like this, I can go in and I can change it to some other font like I've done below here on this example. But as you can see, this one has a stroke. So what happens when I hit expand on this one? So if I just go up to Object and Expand, same thing, Object, Fill, and then I can say OK. So now you can see each shape has a stroke, right? If I want to, now I could actually expand the appearance of it by going to Object, Expand, and this will give me fill and stroke. Say OK. So now this fill is separate from the stroke. Let me grab this guy. So you can see here I have this stroke, and it's separate from the fill. I click here, and it is a compound shape. And I zoom in, you can see I have a compound shape here. But as I mentioned, it's now a shape. It can't be changed back to a different letter. It can't be altered in any way unless you want to play around specifically with the points, for example, right? Not exactly what I want to do, but that shows you that you can get in and manipulate those individual pieces later. So here's an example of a font that you probably don't have. If I gave you an Illustrator file that had this font in it without converting it to shapes, you won't be able to use this without having the font on your computer as well. So that's important to know, and this is why we will convert our text to shapes. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And that's it for now. Happy rendering!